Welcome, Bullpups, to our virtual assembly.
Today's habit is sharpen the saw. Balance is better. Si se lo saben, háganlo conmigo. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. Balance is better. And best.
Habit 7. Sharpen the saw focuses on our ability to step back and recharge. There are 4 areas for sharpening the saw we focus on: the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Take a look with us at some of our bullpups practicing these areas. Now it's your turn. Dance with us. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw is about keeping your personal self sharp. To perform at your best, you need to pay attention to all 4 areas: body, mind, heart, and soul. Balancing them is important because what you do in one of them can affect the other 3. Bullpups, take some time, reflect. What are you doing on each area? Use drawings or words to fill in the following activity. Teachers, you can pause the video here as our bullpups fill out the activity sheet.
This month we are also focusing on being productive.
Wait, hey you! Hey, give me 3 seconds.
Did you know you could be productive by doing these things?
Staying on task.
And doing your work and turning it in when it's due.
And also you could participate in class by asking questions when you're really confused. Because I always ask questions.
I never do.
I do.
And so
And you guys shouldn't be like us. Always ask questions when you have them on your mind.
And that will lead
Don't
you
be
far.
afraid to speak up.
And that will lead you far into your work.
And it'll most likely get correct.
The more you ask, the better you'll get.
Let's take a look at how Miss Seldner's class focused on participating actively in class.
Hey! So that one would be a bank, right? Okay, so then that means 2 is not a bank.
It's allowance.
Do you think it's allowance still?
Yes.
Number 4, things that can be bought and sold.
Goods.
Goods, right? Goods. Hey Eli, do you know what number 5 could be?
Goods.
No, number 5. Groups that raise money for those in need.
Charity.
Look at you guys.
Oh, 5th grade scholars.
Oh, hi.
What are you doing in class to be productive?
Well, first, I am using my time in class to work. And then so I can play.
We collaborate with each other in working in groups. Like, say the other person doesn't know the answer, you could help them figure out. Just make sure to never give answers. Because then, how are they supposed to learn that way?
Also, you can do another thing by keeping your desk organized with all your materials, like hands-on. Like, I keep my desk organized so that way I don't have to pile stuff.
That's something I need to work on.
Just don't end up like her with her desk full of books, and she has to start piling stuff on top. But it's just so that way you can get better. Also, don't forget, the more work you do and the harder you work, and the more correct answers you get by asking questions,
The more your mind grows.
and the more freedom you'll get. Bye.
Take a look at how our school is being productive in the mornings by getting breakfast in an organized and timely manner.
You will more breakfast outside of the day. Yay!
Bullpups, have you seen that we have been running up first and kinder? 5th, 4th, and 3rd come in from the side.
They head to the cafeteria to get their breakfast. Then, head back to class.
Second, first, and kinder, you go through the middle doors.
Lower grades head to their classrooms to drop off their belongings, then head to the cafeteria to have breakfast.
2 of our 5th grade scholars discovered how Habit 7, sharpening the saw, goes hand in hand with being productive. Take a look.
I was trying to finish my work yesterday, but my brain wasn't working.
Same. It's like when you try to cut paper with super dull scissors.
Wait, isn't that what the teacher said? Habit 7, right? Sharpen the saw, right?
Yep. It means taking care of your body, your brain, and your feelings.
So like sleeping, eating, and taking breaks?
Exactly. Reading a book, moving your body, or just calming down when you're stressed.
Oh, so like skipping sleep and not finishing my work? That's showing a dull saw?
Pretty much. And when your saw is dull, it makes everything feel harder.
So sharpen it and you could focus better and finish your work.
That's being productive.
I'm gonna sharpen the saw tonight.
Same. Future us will be proud.
A quick message from the nurses.
Wait, come back! Daily reminder from the nurse.
Don't be a 6, 7. And here's what you can do to prevent that.
Enjoy daily exercise.
Like your PE. And also, stay home if you're sick, so you don't get others sick.
Don't share drinks. You can share sicknesses like that.
And also, wash your hands, because you have germs after you go to the bathroom. And you don't want to give other germs. Just remember, don't be a 6, 7.
Attention bullpups, come move your body with a daily warm-up exercise, learn functional fitness moves, play sports, cook with Nurse Annie and learn easy and delicious recipes, and also learn about the food groups and keeping your body healthy and active. Are you interested? Sign up for Monday and Wednesday's after-school class.
That is all for Habit 7, assembly, sharpen the saw, and remember to take care of yourself.
Now let's take a break with Sophie. Teachers, you have been given the Habit 7, Sharpen the Saw story, Sleepy Sophie. Take some time to read it to your class or listen to it via YouTube. Hope you enjoyed today's virtual video assembly.